Welcome to this Thridify tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding products to the Thridify Admin Panel. Let's dive in. Start by logging into the Thridify Admin Panel at admin.thridify.com using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land up on the product list view by default. This is your central hub for managing all your products. On the left-hand menu, click on the Add Product option. This will open the product form where you can input essential product details. Now, let's add the details. Product ID. Enter the unique ID for your product. This is the most critical field because it maps the product in Thridify to the correct product on your client's website. Make sure this ID matches exactly with the product's ID on your website. Now, product name. Add a clear and descriptive name for your product. In description, provide any additional information about the product that customers might find useful. This field is optional. You can also keep it blank if you do not want to add anything. In the category section, you can add the category of the product, which will help you to search between categories. Next is keyword. If you want to add any meta keywords for your product, you can add here. Next, upload the 3D model for your product. You can upload GLB and USDZ formats for the 3D models. For optimal performance on iPhones, it is highly recommended to upload a USDZ model, but it is totally optional. But yes, you need to add a GLB model to start. Simply drag and drop your file or click the upload button to select your 3D model file. Once all the details are filled in and the 3D model is uploaded, click on the save button. Your product will now be added to the admin panel and visible in the product list. And that's it. You have successfully added a product to the Thridify admin panel. With your 3D and AR ready products, you are one step closer to delivering a cutting-edge shopping experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to the Thridify support team. See you in the next tutorial.